Hi guys, today we talk about can you disable background sound on your iPhone. We need to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do in first, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You can turn it secure, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down here. So then you click, when you keep going down, you will find your audio visual here, just click on it. Then you click here on background sounds, just click on it. You come here to background sounds, you can decide all this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's me background sounds disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.